Today we are starting chapter number 1 of 11th science, some basic concept of the chemistry. And now we discuss the topic of atomic mass and molecular mass and mole concept. So simple here having atomic mass or mass of atoms really a very small. Fine. Friends, now we are studying chapter number 1 of 11th science or some basic concept of the chemistry. In this chapter we are discuss a topic of atomic and molecular mass, number 2 a mole concept. So number 1, what is atomic mass? ध्यान दे बेटे यहाँ पे कि जो एटम्स होता है वो बहुत ही स्मॉल होता है. तो सिंपल सी बात है, उसका एटॉमिक मास इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. ओके, तो यहां पे मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर की मदद से C12 इट इज द आइसोटोप ऑफ कार्बन, उसका मास 12 AMU एज अ स्टैंडर्ड कंसीडर किया हुआ. ओके, सो कैन वी find out the mass of carbon. So here actually what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass is really a mass of proton and mass of neutron. इन दोनों का क्या है? एडिशन. जैसे मेरे पास कार्बन है, so we have to find out the atomic mass of one carbon. So carbon having 6 proton, it is also having 6 neutron and having 6 electron in orbits. Okay, so we know the mass of proton. So here a mass of proton is equal to 1.67 into 10 to minus 24 gram is equal to 1 AMU. Same as mass of neutron is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram is equal to 1 AMU. तो ध्यान दो, इसका मास थोड़ा ज्यादा है और we just consider both are equal. And number 3, mass of electron is a 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 27 gram. मतलब इसका मास बहुत ही कम है. We just compare with the mass of proton. So mass of electron is equal to 1/1837 mass of proton. मतलब इसका मास बहुत ही कम है, तो यहाँ पे उसको हम कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. Just we consider a mass of proton and mass of neutron. So here चलो हम यहाँ पे एक कार्बन का we just find out the atomic mass unit. So here तो having 6 protons, mass of protons plus 6 mass of neutron multiply by 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So ये कौन है बेटा? It is a 1 AMU. So simple, the mass of carbon is क्या है? 12 AMU, मतलब atomic mass unit. Same as we just counting the mass of oxygen. Okay, so oxygen है, तो oxygen having 8 proton in the nucleus and 8 neutron in the nucleus and orbit having 8 electron. So now we just calculate the mass of oxygen. So same as 8 proton, so mass of proton plus 8 mass of neutron into, which is something 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 gram. So this is the 1 AMU. So mass of the oxygen having 16 AMU. तो ऐसे अपन क्या कर सकते हैं कि हर एटम्स का मास फाइंड कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? देन आफ्टर वी जस्ट सी अगेन हियर. चलो मानो आपके पास दिया हुआ है कि 6.0 of कार्बन मास. तो अपने को वी नो दैट, सो 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू कितना है? 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 पावर. बराबर. सो विल दैट ये वैल्यू क्या होगी अपनी? इट इज द 1 मोल. So we just counting a mass of the carbon. So we know that carbon का atomic mass कितना है? So 12 into 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 into atoms of the carbon having 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. अगर ये दोनों का कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो उसका आंसर आएगा 1 आएगा. सो वी जस्ट आंसर इज अ 12 ग्राम, या फिर इसको बोलते हैं ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. ओके, सेम एज वी काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. सेम एज ऑक्सीजन का मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. सो वी नो दैट हैविंग 8 प्रोटॉन and 8 neutron, so total 16. So 16 into 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is equal to होगा अपना, इसका आंसर आएगा, कैलकुलेट करो तो इसका आंसर आएगा 1. So answer of this one having 16 gram. It is the ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. तो ये हिसाब से वी जस्ट काउंटिंग अ मास ऑफ मैनी मोर एलिमेंट्स. लाइक चलो हाइड्रोजन का मास कितना हो गया? 1 ग्राम. सेम एज ऑक्सीजन हैविंग 16 ग्राम. सेम एज नाइट्रोजन हैविंग 14 ग्राम. सेम एज सल्फर हैविंग 32 ग्राम. सेम एज phosphorus having 31 gram. So we just counting a mass of each elements with this process. Okay. What is the molecular mass? A molecular mass is the sum of atomic mass in the elements present in molecules. Okay. So इसके लिए चलो फॉर एग्जांपल अपन लेते हैं कि H2O. So what is the molecular mass of H2O? So H2 having 2H and 1 number of oxygen here having. We know the mass of hydrogen H 1 gram, oxygen having 16 gram. So counting mass of H2, so 2 in the bracket of 1 plus 1 into 16. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram. It is the mass of water. Same as we just counting, calculate the mass of glucose. So glucose, the formula of glucose is a C6H12O6. It is the formula of glucose. So glucose having 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. So counting the mass of glucose. So here we just counting the mass of glucose. So glucose having 6 carbon. So 6 in the bracket of carbon plus 12 in the bracket of hydrogen plus 6 in the bracket of oxygen. So we know the mass of carbon. So mass of the carbon having 12. Mass of hydrogen we know that 1 gram and mass of oxygen having 6 Newton. Just put the value inside of the formula. So here 6 in the bracket of 12 plus 12 in the bracket of 1 same as 6 in the bracket of 16. So counting the number of, do the multiplication. So here having 72 plus 12 plus 96, 6 to 8 to 10. So here having the mass of glucose is 180 gram. Same as we just counting the mass of H2SO4. So we know the formula of H2SO4. H2SO4 here having, so having 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. Same as I just counting a mass of H2SO4. So 2 in the bracket of hydrogen plus 1 in the bracket of sulfur, same as 4 in the bracket of oxygen. We know the all of the mass sulfur, the atomic mass of sulfur is 32 gram. So put the value inside of the formula. So 2 in the bracket of 1 plus 1 in the bracket of 32 plus 4 in the bracket of 16. Okay, so 2 plus 32 plus 64, the addition of this number is going to 98 gram. So our molecular mass of H2SO4 having 98 grams. Same as, I'll just give one more example. So we have sucrose. So formula of sucrose is a C12H22O11. So sucrose having 12 carbon, 20 number of hydrogen and 11 number of oxygen. So here we just counting the molecular mass of sucrose. So having 12 carbon, so 12 in the bracket of carbon plus 22 in the bracket of hydrogen plus 11 in the bracket of oxygen. So we know the mass of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. I'll just put the value of these all elements. Here having 12 in the bracket of 12 plus 22 in the bracket of 1 plus 11 in the bracket of 16. As 16 is the atomic mass of the oxygen and 12 is the atomic mass of carbon. So do the multiplication. 12 plus 144 plus 32 plus 176. And total addition of this number is going to 342 gram. So we just counting a mass of molecules with the help of atomic mass of the elements. Okay. Mole. So mole is one number, and the value of 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 पावर, और इसको बोलते हैं एवोगाड्रो नंबर. नंबर्स, इसका सिंबल है एन ए. ओके, सेम एज अगर मुझे किसी भी एटम्स का मास फाइंड करना है, मतलब नंबर्स फाइंड करना है, सो 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 6.022 into 10⁻23. जैसे मान लो कि 1 डजन इज इक्वल टू 12 नंबर्स. सेम एज 1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 20 numbers. Same as 1 gross is equal to 144 numbers. So same as 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10⁻23 power. जैसे मान लो अगर मैंने बोला we having 1 mole of glucose, 1 mole of glucose, so having 6.022 into 10⁻23 number of glucose molecules. Same as if I take here 1 mole of banana, So simple है. So here having 1 mole mean to say 6.022 into 10 is to 23 numbers of banana. So clear. So यहाँ पे 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to 23 is equal to, I'll just write down 1 mole is equal to 1 gram molar mass. Okay, so here if I having a 54 gram of water, so find the calculate the mole of this one. So we know that one formula, a mole of water is equal to given mass of water upon a molecular mass of H2O. So they have given the mass of water having 54. So here a 54 upon 18 is equal to 3 mole. Okay, so it is the mole of water. But we have to counting the number of molecules in the mole. So number of molecules of the water of H2O is equal to N into Na. So N is the number of mole, N is the number of mole, whatever we are obtaining here. Na, we know that it is the Avogadro number, and we know the value of number having 6.022 into 10 is 23. So I'll have put the value of in this formula. So here 3 into 6.022 into 10 is to 23 molecules of H2 in the. So same calculate the mole of given below. Number 1 mole of 180 gram of glucose. Number 2 mole of 28 gram of N2. Number 2 mole of 32 gram of oxygen, and number 4 mole of 14 gram of H. So number 1 mole of 180 gram of glucose. So mole is equal to given mass of glucose upon a molecular mass. So we know the weight of glucose having 180. So 180 upon 180 is equal to 1 mole. Same as I will not write down again the formula. So same as mole of 28 gram of N2. So we know the mass of nitrogen. So mole is equal to given mass having 28 and the molecular mass of nitrogen. So nitrogen having 2 atoms. One atom having 7 proton and 7 neutron. So it is a 14 AMU. So here having 2 into 7, 14 is equal to 28 AMU. So here, write down here 28. It is equal to 1 mole. So here same as a mole of oxygen. So oxygen का molecular mass 16 or 32. They given a weight. So 32 upon 16 is equal to 2 mole. Same as mole of 14 gram of hydrogen. So mass of hydrogen having 14 gram and the molecular atomic mass of the hydrogen having 1. So it is a 40 mole. So we just find out the mole with the help of the weight of substance and the atomic mass or molecular mass of the substance, and we just counting the number of moles like this one.